So this is number 3. If you didn't get number 3 wrong, you need to go back to the other 3 videos and find and look for the ones you did wrong. If you did get this one wrong, I'm going to show you how to work it out. So a barrel contains 60 gallons of water. Water leaks out of the barrel at a rate of 5 gallons every 3 days. At this rate, how many days did it take for all 60 gallons of water to leak out of the barrel? So what we're looking at is gallons and days. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put gallons and days. And they say it's 5 gallons for every 3 days, and we need to get to 60 gallons. So in order for me to figure out what this is, I need to find a scale factor. And the scale factor here is 5 times something gives you 60. So 5 times 12 will give me 60. If you don't know that, then you would need to divide it. 5 into 6 is 1 time. Minus 5, bring down to 0. 5 into 10 is 2 times. So that means your scale factor is 12. So then you do 3 times 12 to give you your number of days. So 3 times 12 is 36. So that means it's going to take 36 days for all the water to leak out of the barrel. So make sure you understand how to use ratio tables. Make sure that you're using ratio tables to get your answer correctly on your retest. Good luck on your retest.